Have you ever wondered about the numerous wonders that science has to offer? Welcome to an exploration of the fascinating world of science, where we'll uncover 20 amazing facts that are sure to boggle your mind. From the mysteries of the universe to the marvels of nature right here on Earth, we'll delve into topics that will pique your curiosity and deepen your appreciation for the wonders of science. So, without further ado, let's dive into these amazing facts. Starting off at number 20, did you know that the human body is made up of stardust? That's right, almost everything we see, touch, and are made of once belonged to a star. This amazing fact comes from the realization that most elements on Earth, including those in our bodies, were formed at the heart of a star. Moving on to fact 19, let's talk about the universe. It's constantly expanding. The universe has been growing ever since the Big Bang around 13.8 billion years ago. And you might think it's slowing down, but it's not. In fact, the expansion is getting faster. Lastly, for fact 18, we dive into the world of the minuscule. The smallest particle in the universe is not an atom, nor a neutron, proton, or even an electron. It's called a quark. Quarks are the building blocks of protons and neutrons, which in turn form atoms. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Let's move on. Moving on to number 17. Ever wondered about the speed of light? Well, it's quite a sprinter, racing along at approximately 186,000 miles per second. That's nearly 7.5 times around the world in a single second. Now, let's shift gears to number 16. Electricity, our everyday companion, is even faster than light, traveling almost instantaneously along a wire. It's the electrons that actually move a bit slower, at a snail's pace of just a few inches per hour. But the electrical energy itself, it zips along in a jiffy. Finally, at number 15, we have sound. Compared to light and electricity, sound is the slowpoke of the group, moving at a leisurely speed of roughly 762 miles per hour. That's about 1 mile in 5 seconds. Now, isn't that electrifying? Let's proceed. At number 14, we have something about the incredible world of animals. Did you know that the honeybee is the only insect that produces food eaten by man? Honey is the only food that includes all the substances necessary for life, including enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and water. Moving on to number 13, let's dive into the depths of marine life. The immortal jellyfish, known scientifically as Turritopsis dohrnii, is the only creature known to man that can revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. It's virtually immortal under normal circumstances. Finally, at number 12, we soar high with the birds. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird, indeed the fastest animal on the planet. During its hunting stoop, the high-speed dive to catch prey, it can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Isn't nature amazing? Let's continue. Moving forward to number 11, let's delve deep into the Earth's mysteries. Did you know the Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun? That's right. The inner core, primarily composed of iron and nickel, soars to temperatures between 4,000 and 5,000 degrees Celsius. Quite a fiery furnace. Next, at number 10, we have volcanoes. These natural wonders are not just destructive forces, but also creators. Volcanic eruptions bring up material from deep within the earth, shaping new landscapes and even islands. The Hawaiian Islands, for instance, owe their existence to volcanic activity. Finally, at number 9, we uncover the science behind earthquakes. Earthquakes occur when there's a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, creating seismic waves. These waves travel through the Earth, shaking the ground, sometimes with devastating consequences. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's go on. At number 8, we have some interesting facts about our very own solar system. Did you know that it's around 4.5 billion years old? That's older than the mountains, the oceans, and even the dinosaurs. It's been around for quite some time, spinning and swirling in the vast expanse of the universe. Moving on to the 7th fact, let's talk about the sun. It's not just a big ball of fire, it's actually a star, and it's the closest one to us. The sun is so large that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Just imagine that! Now, for fact number 6, we turn our gaze to the moon. Despite its small size, the moon plays a significant role in our daily lives. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the high and low tides on Earth. It's fascinating, isn't it? Let's keep exploring. Number 5 is about the fascinating world of physics. Did you know that light can be both a particle and a wave? This mind-bending concept is known as wave-particle duality, a fundamental theory in quantum mechanics. It's like your favorite dessert being both a cake and a pie at the same time. Moving on to number 4, which takes us on a journey into the realm of chemistry. Ever wonder why the sky is blue? It's all thanks to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight interacts with the Earth's atmosphere, it scatters in all directions, and blue light is scattered more because it travels in smaller, shorter waves. And number 3 brings us to the incredible world of biology. The human body is a marvel of nature, and one of the most astounding facts is that the human brain operates on just about 20 watts of power. That's less than most light bulbs. Amazing, isn't it? Let's move on. We are now at the top 2 facts. Did you know about the theory of relativity? That's right, Albert Einstein's monumental theory that revolutionized the way we understand the universe. This theory, proposed in the early 20th century, states that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, regardless of their speed or direction. It also tells us that nothing in the universe can travel faster than light. Moving on, let's delve into the fascinating world of quantum physics, our number 1 fact. Quantum physics, a branch of science that deals with particles at the atomic and subatomic levels, breaks down everything we thought we knew about the laws of nature. It posits that particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? Science is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It continually challenges our perceptions and understanding of the world and the universe. Isn't science absolutely mind-blowing? Well, there you have it. 20 amazing science facts that prove how fascinating our world is. From the vast reaches of outer space to the intricate workings of our own human bodies, we've journeyed through a spectrum of scientific wonders today. We've discovered that a day on Venus is longer than a year, and that the human brain is the most energy-consuming organ, using up to 20% of the body's power. We've learned that a teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons, and that the total weight of all the ants on Earth is roughly equal to the total weight of all the humans. We've unraveled that light from the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, and that the length of our blood vessels could circle the Earth more than twice. We've also found out that a single lightning bolt has enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread, and that the human body contains enough carbon to make 900 pencils. These facts, while diverse, all point to one undeniable truth. The world of science is an awe-inspiring place, filled with endless mysteries and marvels waiting to be discovered. So let this be a starting point for your own journey of exploration. Dive into the cosmos, delve into the human body, explore the depths of the oceans and the intricacies of our planet. Science is not just about facts and figures. It's about understanding the universe around us and our place within it. It's about curiosity, discovery, and the thrill of finding answers to questions we never knew we had. So go ahead, share these fascinating facts with your friends, spark a conversation, ignite your curiosity. The joy of learning is best when shared. Remember, the world of science is vast, and there is always more to learn. Until next time, keep exploring.